Welcome back to the channel. Get understanding, don't memorize. This is the continuation of our lessons on binary operations in elective mathematics. That's further mathematics or elective mathematics, binary operation. We are looking at solved final exam questions. Solved final exam questions to make you solve, to make your understanding solid. Yes, so solve final exam questions on what? On binary operation in further mathematics or not elective mathematics. Yes, this is question number 6. They are all theory questions. So far, we have solved theory questions throughout. So these are not theory questions. Let us consider it that we see time. Yeah, yes. So this is question number 1. It's likely that in the theory question you always meet the binary operation in the first question. Okay. Yes, we see that a binary operation triangle is defined on the set of real numbers R by what? A triangle B by what? A triangle B is equal to what? A raised to the power A cube minus what? B cube, A raised to the power 3 minus B raised to the power 3. Okay. See that without using calculator, find the value of what? You are supposed to find the value of square root of 3 plus what? Square root of 2 into bracket what? To bracket then triangle square root of what? Square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Okay. So leaving your answer in the what? In the third form. This is what you are supposed to see. Find. Without using a calculator, find this. Without using calculator. Okay. Yeah. So here, this whole of this is what? This is A, and the whole of this is what? B. So this is you get what? Square root of what? 3 plus square root of 2. This is what? This is A. Then raise the power 3. Then minus, this is square root of what? Square root of 3 minus square root of what? 2. This is B. Raise the power 3 again. Okay? Yes. So we take this one and we solve. Then come and take this and solve. What does it mean? If you have in general, elective mathematics or mathematics, you have S raise the power 3. What does it mean? It means that S times what? Times S times what? Times S. Have you seen? This is the same as you can say S squared times what? S. You can write it like that. Okay? Yeah, so if you have this, you know that square root of what? Square root of 3 plus square root of 2 all raised to the power 3. Have you seen? Is equal, it is the same as what? Square root of what? Square root of 3 plus square root of what? 2. This one, all squared, or you can write square root of 3 plus square root of what? 2. Then another square root of what? 3 plus square root of what? 2. This is what it means. Okay? Yes, so let us keep this one, then we expand this. Okay? So this is equal to square root of what? Square root of 3 plus square root of 2. This is the first one. This one is what we are keeping. Then we are going to expand this. So this will go and multiply the whole thing. So we get into bracket. This is multiply square root of 3 times square root of 3. Get square root of 9. Square root of 9. So square root of 9. Okay, let me write it. Let me take my time. Then square root of 3 plus square root of 2. We get plus square root of what? Square root of 6. We are finished with this as multiplied. It is the term of this. Square root of 3 times square root of what? Square root of 2 times square root of 3. Get square root of 6 again. Okay, and then plus square root of 2 times square root of 2. Get square root of what? Square root of 4 is what you get. Okay, yes. So this is what we expanded. So we have square root of 3 plus square root of what? 2. Put it down. Okay, this is what we, then this is what we did. This is the same as 3. You get this one is 3 and this one is 2. Okay, have you seen? Yes. So we have 3. So let us simplify it here. 3 and then 2. Can multiply the square root of 6 plus square root of 6. You get 2 square root of 6. Have you seen? And 3 plus 2, you get 5. So you get 5 plus, this is the same as x plus 2s. So you get 2 root what? 6. 2 square root of 6 or 2 root 6. This is what you get. So we are going to expand this. Have you seen? Yes. So we expand it. What do we get? This 3 will go and multiply the whole thing. Have you seen? So we have is equal to, let us come down here. Is equal to square root of 3 times 5. Square root of 3 times 5 is the same. 5 times square root of 3. You get 5 root what? 5 root 3. Okay. Then square root of 3 times square root of times 2 root 6. So we have square root of 3 times 2. 2 root 6 means 2 times root of 6. So this one will go and multiply this, and then 2. This rational number will stand. Hello. Have you seen? So we have square root of, you can, so this is plus 2 times what? Square root of what? 3 times square root of what? 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. Square root of what? 18. Okay, get square root of 18. Okay, so this is the term of this one. So square root of 2 times 5. So plus square root of 2 times 5 the same as 5 times square root of what? 2. And then plus square root of 2 times 2 root 6. So you get 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2, square root of 12. 12. Have you seen? Yeah, so this is what you get. So this is equal to, okay, so let us, this one, what do you get? You have 5, sorry, yes, this is what you get. You get 5 root 3, so 5 root what? 5 root 3. Have you seen? Okay, so let me bring this, okay, fine, you 5 root 3 plus 2, so this is 2. This is 2 times, so 2 times that is the same as 2 times square root of what? 18. 18 is the same as, not reduce, you reduce 8, 9 times what? 9 times 2, this is what you get. Have you seen? Then plus 5 root what? 5 root 2. Then plus, we have 2 times 12. 12 is not reduced, so is 4 times 3. Hope you remember. The highest perfect square, that is a factor. Yes, so you are trying to reduce it, okay? Yes, it's interesting. So this is, you get, is equal to what? This is equal to 5 root what? 5 root 3. So this one the same as this one, we separate them. Square root of 9 times square root of what? 2. We get 3 root 2. Have you seen? So 5 root 3 plus get 3 root 2. The same as 2 is 2 times square root of 9 times square root 2. So it becomes 2 times what? 3 root what? Root 2. Have you seen? Then plus 5 root what? Root 2. Then plus what? This is plus 2 times. So this will become 2 root 3. Then 2 times 2 root what? 2 root 3. Okay? So you get 5 root 3 plus 2 times 3 6 root what? Root 2 plus 5 root what? Root 2 plus 2 times 2 4. 4 root what? Root 3. Okay? So you see this is root 3. 5 root 3 plus 4 root 3. The same as 5s plus 4s. You get 9s. So this is 9 root what? 9 root 3. Then 6 root 2 plus 5 root 2. 6 plus the same as 6y plus what? 5y, which is 11y. So you plus what? 11 root what? 11 root 2. Okay? So this is the answer. Very lengthy. This is the answer. Let's just put it there. So this is the first one. This is what we have got for the first one. Have you seen? So we are going to look at the second one. This one, the negative one. Okay, let us come up here. Let us come up. That one is for square root of what? Square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Yes, all the power 3. This one we use the difference of 2 square to finish it quickly. Yes, that is it. Okay. Okay. So what do you have? Okay. So sorry, this is not different of 2 square. Sorry, it's not applicable here. So we have square root of 3. This means square root of 3 minus square root of 2. 3 times square root of 3 minus square root of 2 bracket square root of 3 minus square root of what? 2. That's what you have. So you maintain the first one, which is square root of what? Square root of 3 minus square root of 2. This, okay? Sorry. Okay? Then into bracket. So this one we multiply the square root of 3 times square root of 3 to get square root of 9. So square root of 9, you get 3. Put the answer down. Square root of 3 times negative square root of 2, you get negative square root of 6. Put the answer down. Then we have 3. This is the 10. Negative square root of 2 times positive square root of 3, you get negative square root of 6. Put the answer down. And then you have negative square root of 2 times negative square root of 2, you get positive square root of 4. You get 2 plus 2. Have you seen? This is what you get. Okay? Yes. So this is equal to what? Square root of 3 minus square root of 2 to bracket. Then bracket, let us simplify what we have here. So we have what? This is 2. 2 plus 3, we get 5. 5. And then minus, you have negative square root of 6 minus square root of 6. The same as negative x minus x, which is negative 2x. So negative 2 square root of what? 6 is what we have. Okay. So we are expanding. Okay, so let me come down here. So this is equal to then square root of 3 times positive 5. You get 5 root what? 5 root 3. Okay. Then square root of 3 times negative 2 root what? Root 6. So the square root will multiply the square root. The numbers under the square root sign will multiply together. So 3 times 6 is 18. Have you seen? The negative 2. So to get negative positive square root of 3 times negative 2 root 6, you get negative 2 root what? 18. 2. Okay, let me write 18. See, we are getting the same. I mean, it might be the opposite. This might be negative here. Likely. Okay, so this is what you have. Okay, then it is the 10 of this. It is the 10 of this. Negative square root of 2 times positive 5. You get negative what? Negative 5 root what? Root 2. Okay? Negative 5 root 2. This is what you get. The negative square root, negative times negative, we get positive. So we get plus, this is 2. And then square root of 2 under the square root sign, then 6 under the square. 2 times is 12. Root what? Root 12. Okay. So this is what we get. Okay. Yeah. That's what you get. So this is equal to, then we reduce this one, 18 and 12, they are not reduced as we did for the first one. So we get 5 root what? 5 root 3. Okay. Then minus 2 root what? 18 is 9 times 2, 2, 9, 18. And then we have what? Minus 5 root what? Root 2. Okay. Minus 5 root 2, then plus 2 root what? Then we have plus 2 root. Plus 2 root what? 12 is what? 4 times 3. Okay. Yes. So let's move on. So this is equal to what? It's equal to, we come here, this is 5 root 3. You write the 5 root 3. Okay. So this one is what? This is the same as 9. Now, this is, sorry, square root of 9 with 3. And then square root of 2, 3 root 2. Have you seen? So minus what? 2 times 3 root what? Root 2. We have negative 5 root what? Negative 5 root 2. And then we have plus 2 square root of 4. So 2 times what? Square root of 4 is 2, then root what? Root 3 is what we get, okay? So this is equal to 5 root what? 5 root 3 minus 2 times 3 is what? 6 root what? 6 root 2, then minus what? So as I said, 5 root 2, then plus 2 times you get 4 root what? 4 root 3, okay? So this is equal to what? We have 5 root 3 and then 4 root 3, 5, so the same as 9 root 3. You are getting, I see, the negative as I told you, this is negative, this sign will be negative. You are getting the same thing. The negative 6 root 2 minus 5 root 2, you get negative what? 11 root 2, okay? So negative 11 root 2. So this one should be an experience for you. So next time you have anything, raise the power 2. I mean, the power is cube. If it is negative, the first one is positive, the second one is the answer you get, to just negate. Okay, fine. But you have to show working anyway. This is a theoretical question. If it was objective, you know that you just negate this and you get the answer. Okay, so this is what you have. You have this 9 root 3 minus 11 what? 11 root what? Root that. Have you seen? So this is what you have. You have this. Don't forget, this is negative. This is negative. So we have this one. The answer of this is this one. Okay, and then the answer of this is also this one. So this implies that this implies that this implies a square root of 3 plus square root of 2, then triangle bracket square root of 3 and a square root of 2, which is equal to what? Square root of 3 plus square root of 2 all raised to the power 3 minus square root of 3 minus square root of what? Minus square root of 2 all raised to the power 3. Is equal to what? What is the answer of this? Is this one? This is 9 root what? 9 root 3 plus 11 root what? Root 3. Then we have minus what? 9. This one. This is this 9 root 3 minus 11 root what? 11 root 2. Okay. So this is what we have. Okay. So we have 9 root 3 plus 11 root what? Root 3. The negative sign will go inside. I have negative 9 root 3 and then plus become positive plus 11 root what? Root 2. Okay. So this 9 root 3 and then 9 root 3 they go away. Then we have 11 root 3. 11. Sorry, this is. Oh, sorry. This is 11. Oh, what have I read? What have I? Sorry. This is 9 root 3. 9 root 3 plus 11 root 2. This is root 2. Sorry, this is root 2, not 3. Root 2. Obviously, this is the root 2, and this one is root 2. So we have this. So this is plus. This is root 2. This is root 2, not root 3. Sorry for that. Okay. So this 9 root 3 minus 9 root 3 is 0. Then we have 11 root 2 plus 11 root 2, which is 11 plus 11 is what? 22. 22 root what? 22 root 2 is the answer. They were asked to leave an answer in the set form. So that is all. 22 what? 22 root 2. This is the answer. Guys, it's interesting and thought. This one is, in fact, it's very lengthy and involving, but it's not difficult. That is why we have to get understand. That's the name of the channel implies. If you understand it, then you don't have any problem. You solve it and definitely get your answer correct. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys. But we have to solve more questions. You have to also get your own questions and solve. If you have any challenge, you can put it. You can post it and send it to me on WhatsApp so that I look at it for you. You can also leave it in the comment section, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are really benefited. Don't forget to share with your friends who are also in fact having the similar program, so that they also get understanding and enjoy mathematics, binary operation. Yes, 12 final exam questions. More as final exam questions. This is final exam questions. So the final exam questions mean you have already conquered the exams, you have already scored excellently. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, students.